out on my Instagram and you guys loved it, and so I decided to go ahead and film a tutorial for you guys. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you go and do that. My handle is @NeredaSpeaksHair. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off by parting my hair right down the middle, and then I've clipped one side out of the way, and with the side I'm going to be working with, I'm going to pick up hair and tie it into a ponytail. Now I'm going to start pulling at the top part of that ponytail just to add a bit of texture. And then with the ends, I'm going to spray Sexy Hair Powder Play in it just to add some texture, and then I'm going to back comb it a little bit. Now I'm going to twist that ponytail, and as I'm twisting, I'm going to also wrap it around itself to create the bun shape. And once I just have like a little bit left of my ends, I'm going to pull it through the bun and then continue wrapping the remaining around itself. Now that I'm done, I'm just going to begin to pull out the bun to give it the desired shape that I'm looking for, and I'm going to begin to use bobby pins to secure it in place. And now I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other side. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed already. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments down below what else you would like to see. Until next time, bye you guys.